Mary I, Queen of England. February 18th, 1516, November 17, 1558. Mary, I was the first crowned Queen of England and Ireland from 1553, also known as Mary of Blood, Mary the Catholic. Jean Fearless, May 28, 1371, September 10, 1419. Jean II the Fearless was Duke of Burgundy from 1404 from the Burgundian branch of the Valois dynasty. Catherine Parr, 1512, September 5, 1548. Catherine Parr was an English aristocrat known primarily as the sixth and last wife of King Henry VIII of England from 1543 to 1547. Philip III the Good, July 31, 1396, June 15, 1467. Philip the Good, or Philip III of Burgundy, was Duke of Burgundy of the Burgundian branch of the Valois dynasty. Elizabeth of Feur, September 7, 1533, March 24, 1603. Elizabeth of Fern's, Elizabeth Tudor, Queen of England and Ireland from 1558, the last monarch of the British Isles from the House of Tudor. William I of Orange, April 24, 1533, July 10, 1584. William I of Orange, nicknamed Silent, Prince of Orange, leader of the Dutch bourgeois revolution. He was assassinated on July 10, 1584 by the Spanish mercenary Balthazar Gerard. Anna Kluski, 1515, July 1557. Anne of Cleves was the fourth wife of King Henry VIII of England. Edward IV, April 28, 1442, April 9, 1483. Edward IV was King of England from 1461 to 1470 in 1883. 1471 to 1483, who seized the throne during the War of the Scarlet and White Rose. Anne Askew, 1521, July 16, 1546. Anne Askew was an English writer, poet, and Protestant martyr who was burned at the stake for heresy. Charles the Bold, November 10th, 1433, January 5th, 1477. Charles the Bold was the last Duke of Burgundy of the Valois dynasty. He died in the Battle of Nancy. Bon d'Artois, 1396, September 17, 1425. Bon d'Artois was Countess of Nevers by marriage to Philip II of Burgundy and Duchess of Burgundy by marriage to Philip III of Burgundy. Henry Carey, 1st Baron Hunsdon, March 4th, 1526, July 23rd, 1596. Henry Carey, 1st Baron Hunsdon, was an English statesman and military leader. He was a cousin of Queen Elizabeth, the first Tudor of England. Henry Carey, January 15, 1595. June 13, 1661. Henry Carey was an English aristocrat, 2nd Baron Carey of Leppington, and 2nd Earl of Monmouth from 1639. Little interested in politics and remained neutral during the Civil War,